And oh, I know it's been a long time. I was on the sideline waiting for you.
Good morning, guys. We are outside yet again for another yard work style video. My name is Megan, and if you're new here, my husband and I are on a journey to get our yard just looking right and serving our family for this season. In our last video where we tore down our kids' rotting wooden play set, the pile is right here. I told y'all that next we would be demoing our old storage shed. So this is the back of the shed, and as you can see, it has literal holes in it. It has so much damage on this back wall that I'm surprised it's even still standing. And all of the sides basically look like this. So damaged. They have so many holes, especially towards the bottom from like termite damage and animals, and you can see where we've had to put wood panels from the inside just to block off those holes. But I think the final motivator for us has been that the ceiling is finally failing. So up until now we could get away with band-aid fixes, but there's leaks in the roof. We noticed these spots just a couple of weeks ago, and you can clearly see that finally the roof is giving in also, and the band-aid fixes just aren't going to work anymore. So we just decided that we need to go ahead and be proactive and take care of this before all of our stuff gets completely ruined, and we'd be really upset about that. We decided to go with a metal storage shed from Patio Well, and this is kind of what it's going to end up looking like. It is weather resistant, rust resistant, it's metal, so the material has better longevity, and we decided to go with Patio Well because they have fantastic reviews. According to the reviews, the DIY install process of these sheds are supposed to be relatively straightforward and beginner friendly, so we're really going to be putting that to the test today. We've never done anything like this, but first we need to empty out what we currently have in here. I am not looking forward to cleaning out this absolute disaster. There is just so much stuff in here, but we've got to get it all out so that we can tear down this existing structure before putting up the new one.
To keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it. Monday came and swept away all the fun of yesterdays, but I'm gonna hold it together. This ain't forever. Need a shot and then a beat, somewhere to let off some steam. I'm not the one to say never, never say never.
Okay, I've cleaned out a lot of what I think I can on my own, and now I'm gonna need Derek's help, and it's still so much more. You can see I started stacking everything on that concrete slab. It just made the most sense to store everything there. But this is what's still left to empty out, and it's a lot of really big, heavy containers, so I can't do it on my own. So we're just going to... Okay, so now it's all cleared out, and I can show you some of what I was talking about earlier, like those holes that lead to the outside. You can see that we've just kind of positioned scrap wood here to block those holes, but if I pull it out, you can see straight through. It really is falling down, and because of that, Derek thinks that it's going to be easy to demo these sides. He literally thinks he can just kick out this back wall, so we're going to see if he can do that. Okay, see if you can push the window. Yeah. just kind of, okay, yeah, see? Okay, stop. I don't want you to knock it into me. Can you get the screen out? You got it? Thank you. Okay. Alright, I'm going to take this over and then I'll be right back. Whoa. Don't hurt yourself. Whoa. Okay, let me see. Okay. Alright, just 1 second. I need you to loosen it over here a little bit. This is just like flaky.
All over here.
I'm walking on this hill of mine, just gotta get past it. I see the lights, they're on so bright, and find my way to you. It's like I'm Emmy Lou and you are Grant, we're living the high life. From Waterloo to Amsterdam, we'll be in little heaven. And if I'm to dream about that love, roll the dice and we'll go to paradise. Little heaven, gotta dream of it while you can. Roll the dice and we'll go to paradise and stay in little heaven. I'm walking on this hill of mine, just gotta get past it. I see the lights, they're on so bright. Find my way to you. From Waterloo to Amsterdam, we'll be in little heaven. And if I'm to dream about that love, roll the dice and we'll go to paradise. Little heaven, gotta dream of it while you can. Roll the dice and we'll go to paradise. Little heaven, and if I'm to dream about that love, roll the dice and we'll go to paradise. Little heaven, gotta dream of it while you can. Roll the dice and we'll go to paradise and stay in little heaven. I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby, I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling in love. The way my lips feel on your body.
Okay, we've got it down to like as bare bones as I think we're gonna get it. The roof is still on, but honestly we have no idea how to take the roof off because of the shape of it and like where the joints are. We don't know how to do that without it collapsing on us, and we just don't even want to take that risk. But all of the walls, everything else is off, so we're just gonna see if we can literally just push it over and push it off of the base. You think we could do it? So this roof has been the first thing that really stumped us about this project, and I just wanted to share in case anybody else is doing this and doesn't know where to start. So we went to the hardware store, right, Derek? Mm-hmm. The hardware store?
Home Depot. Not the hardware store.
So we got a reciprocating saw to cut this into manageable pieces because obviously we can't just move this whole thing. But the guy that was helping us said that he would suggest trying to take the shingles off first because the heat of the saw will like turn all of this tar sticky and just make a big mess. And so we got this shingle scraper right here. This is what it looks like. It was only $10. So Derek is going to use that and try and scrape all of the shingles off while I go inside and make dinners. I'm making BLTs for dinner in case anybody is interested in what a quick, easy, fast meal that isn't takeout looks like on a huge demo day like this. We're going to be having BLTs, fruit, bananas, probably some chips because let's just be honest, that's what you have on the side. And yeah, so I'm gonna go make that while he tries scraping with this shingle scraper. Yeah, it's kind of getting up a whole sheet. Day 2, and this is where we left off. Derek decided he absolutely did not want to try to remove this last layer of shingles, so we're gonna try and cut it up without it. And actually our friend John came. He's right over there. Say hi, John. we recruited a second set of man muscles because this thing is really heavy, and I think they're just going to cut it into like large chunks, or at least they're going to try to. So let's see if they can do it. John said we're dumb and we can't read good. He's got almost all of these shingles off in 15 minutes. He just picked up this shingle scraper. Say that 5 times fast. And look at that. Look at how efficient he is. I told him we'd buy him a cheesesteak.
And action. You have to wait for that.
Hold on. I'm just gonna see.
That might work. Maybe not. But
Can you just pull it? Here, let's just walk this way, okay?
I can do it.
Okay, just walk that way.
Yeah, I was just back kicking it.
I don't know, that was a lot faster than mine. Oh, that was 8 seconds compared to 2 minutes. Holy crap. I think I was right about needing more man muscle. We just ripped that right off of this
I'm so angry.
Yeah. So I can't just rip it off. I gotta use the crowbar.
Your Rolex or your credit card. Rolex or your credit card. Still you won't quit. Trying to be cool, so here we go again. Here we go again, again, again. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. Looking like a movie star. You try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, ain't got money on my mind.
We got it all apart and we didn't even have to use the reciprocating saw. Here's our wood pile. This is so crazy. It's relatively small. Like when you see that massive structure, you think it's going to be so big, but it's manageable. Like we're just going to saw it all up into smaller pieces and then burn it. And I feel like we could do that within like a weekend, but here we go. The base is all exposed and we've actually noticed a few things that we're trying to troubleshoot right now. So this whole support beam is rotting out and we're trying to figure out if we can replace it or if we're just gonna have to scrap the foundation and build a new one. But I think we're gonna go ahead and call it good on this video. This has been a lot. We have accomplished a lot here. We're going to go to the hardware store, get the materials that we need to reinforce the foundation, change our clothes so it looks like we're not starting the next video on the same day, and start the patio well shed build. I'm so excited. I hope that we'll be able to get it all done, or at least mostly done today. Everything that I've been saying says around 6 hours for the full build with 2 people, and we're gonna have 3 people, so I'm hoping that we can get it done in 6 hours with 3 people. It's noon right now, so that would put us finishing up at dinner time. So wish us luck and come back to see how all of that goes. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, choosing to spend your time here. I always appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed seeing us figure out how to demo that shed, and I'll see you all in the next one.